Hello guys, it's Nicolette here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. As you can tell from the title down there, I'm going to be showing you my apartment. Welcome, it's MTV Cribs. A lot of you guys have been requesting that I show my apartment. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen it. But I live in a loft. I moved here this year. I'm super excited. It's been my dream to live in a loft, so I'm going to show you guys. Let's get started. So as you can see here, this is the entryway, as you can see by the door here. Over here we have our landing pad. A lot of what we've gotten here are things that we've just accumulated from college. We have this really cool hexagon mirror, which I love, and we have this very cool clock that tells the time by words, which I just think is so aesthetic. I got this from Amazon. I don't remember where I got this mirror though. I'll put it here if I remember. And then we have, you know, just some knickknacks and fake flowers, our pet drawer, just things that we need generally. We have a place to hang our sunglasses. Over here we have a coat closet where we put all of our stuff. We don't have very many closets in here, so we just try to make do. It's also a storage closet. And over here we have the place where you put on your shoes. We have the place where you put on your shoes. This painting is the first painting that I've ever actually bought for myself. It was made by a local artist here in Oakland, and I just think it's beautiful. The colors are so me. It just works so well in my apartment. So I just love this. I love this painting a lot. And in here we have the best seat in the house, AKA the bathroom, the one and only bathroom. You know, we have our standard stuff, the sink, the toilet, the shower, the litter box. What more could you need in here? I don't know, but it's a standard bathroom. Let's move on. So when you come over here, you see the most lived in room in the house, the living room. But first, before I talk about the living room, we're gonna go over here, take a little detour to this other little landing pad area. This is some desk that we found that we thought looked really nice, and we put our plants here. It's also a nice place to put our cool little Tetris light that we got from Best Buy. It's by Lifex. I'll put a link down below. It's really neat. You can put it in any way you want. You just stick these little square blocks anywhere you want on the wall. You can turn it off. You can turn it on. The lights move around. You can put it on any color setting you want. They're really cool. I highly suggest these. They make the whole apartment a super vibe. It's dope.
I tried to find a link to the lights, but it turns out they are discontinued. I found similar ones for a sort of similar price.
Giant painting that I got from my mom as a housewarming gift. They're poppies. They're my favorite flower ever. They're also California's state flower, which is very fitting since we live in California. And here is my favorite spot in the house. It is my Papazon chair. I sit here for hours and I watch TikToks. It's comfy, it's a circle. What more could you ask for? So over here is our entertainment center. This is pretty much Eric's baby. He has collected all of our sound system equipment. We have these Pioneer speakers here. We have this really cool setup right here. It is all vintage stuff. We have a tape player from the 80s. We have a preamp from the 80s, and we have, what is this called again, babe?
That is a stereo receiver.
It is a receiver from the 70s, which is really cool. We listen to tapes sometimes when we're doing dishes. It's a vibe. Our Kenwood. Over here we have a, what is it called?
It's a subwoofer.
And on top of it is our Audio Technica record player. Oh yeah, and then we got the entertainment center from IKEA. Need to mention that because it's pretty. It's nice. In this corner, we have what I like to call the indie vibe corner. We have a bunch of records, we have incense, we have the Beatles record on vinyl, we love that. And over here, we have all of my favorite little knickknacks, a picture of me and Eric, some glass roses that Eric has gotten me over the years, and some crystals, a drawing that I got from a giveaway, and other fun little knickknacks that I feel look aesthetically pleasing in here. We have our couch. It's a pull-out couch from IKEA. A lot of things are from IKEA because we're millennial. Because we're millennials, and that's all we can afford, right? Anyway, couch. It's cool. It's a pull-out couch. You can put your blankets in here. But that's not the coolest part about this setup. The coolest part is this coffee table. Wanna know why? Here's why. Coffee table, right? You see it as a coffee table? Now there's stairs.
Big puppy stretch. Oh, so cute.
This is our own personal Harry Potter under the stairs nook. I tried to make it look cute because we don't really know what exactly to do with this area. So what we did was we put our bar cart here, our little robot vacuum under here.
I just wanted to mention that our robot vacuum is named Elon. Okay, back to the video.
And Clementine's favorite chair, which doesn't go with anything, but we keep it because she loves it. This is her safe space. And we have some Edison bulbs, kind of showing it's cute, okay? I don't know the words, but you can see it looks nice, right? This is our dining room table, technically, except we normally use this as a place to dump all of our crap, and it's usually not sittable. So you're seeing it in a very great way. Congrats. We also have these chairs, which are ugly and we hate them, but it's what we've got, so we use them. They're from IKEA, so is this. Everything in this home is basically from IKEA. And over here, we have the kitchen. I think it's very beautiful, especially when the sun comes in, as you're seeing right now. Black countertops, white cabinets. It looks so nice. It's a basic kitchen. There's not really much special about it besides how it looks. And here we have a kitchen island that we got from a neighbor who was moving out. Over here we have a table that we got from World Market. It just has all of my plants because I collect plants, as we all do as millennials, am I right? Yes. Don't judge them. They are not doing too well. They're struggling a little bit, mostly because I got a little depressed. Forgot to water them for like a week. It's okay, I'm working on it, it's fine, don't worry. We have real brick walls because this whole apartment building used to be a warehouse factory a long time ago. So we have the real brick walls, they're painted white. This is like what made me want to rent this apartment because I am a sucker for white brick walls. It has been my dream since I was 8 to have a brick wall in my home. And now I do, so it's cool. And in here we have a nice sliding door into our second bedroom, technically. This is where the magic happens as far as our hobbies go. This is our dog's bedroom. This is our cat's bedroom. This is our workout room. This is our storage room. This is Eric's office. This is my office. Fun thing about Eric's office here, it's made of plywood and cinder blocks. We made this. It was a huge struggle to get all of this up here, but that's a story for another day. We have my desk with all of my favorite things on it. You know, it's typical, and some of the art that I've made. Oh, look, can you see black walls? Wanna know why? It's because this is all sound foam, because Eric is a musician and he was very adamant about getting sound foam walls. Oh, look, we have some more art. This is a print of Kansas City because that is where we're from. We got this from Eric's brother. It is hiding our breaker switch box. I know what you guys are thinking. Nicole, where do you sleep? Well, guess what? I sleep upstairs in a loft. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you. Come on. And this is my bedroom. We have no doors in it, but that's okay because it's just me and Eric living here. We have our bed over here. It's white. It's nice. We have a tapestry here. It's of the Sun Tarot card. I think this looks really nice up here. We have a dog. Her name is Olive. We have my mirror where I do my makeup every day. We have a grid where we hang all of our hats. We got this from World Market when it was closing a store and they were basically just giving this away. We have a vintage chest that we've had for years and we decided, oh, let's just turn it into a table. And that's where I'm putting a dead plant and my lamp. So that's pretty neat. And of course over here we have, you know, dresser. This was my mom's before I was born and I took it. It's really heavy. It doesn't really have clothes. The clothes don't really fit in it very well, but I keep it because I love it. Over here we have some of my favorite hats. Here are some of my favorite Polaroids of my friends, of college, of places that I've been. It's very 2014 Tumblr girl, but I love that, so I'm here for it. Over here we have Eric's side. This is his dresser from IKEA, a cork board that I think his aunt made him. Am I right? Yes. You know, Eric things, watches, stuff like that. And then if you look upwards, you see our windows. This is basically the closest thing to a skylight that I'll ever have thus far. And one more thing that I should show you. If you look out into the loft, you see our ceilings, you see the downstairs. It's awesome. I love it. And that, guys, has been my apartment tour, the long-awaited apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this was like, I don't know, inspirational or something. I don't know. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below. Love to hear your thoughts on whatever. And I will see you next time.